Happy New Year's Eve, guys. Check this out. This is gonna be a sneak peek for my 2019 or my 2020 first unpacking. I got these totes that haven't been opened in over 10 years. Look at all this dust. Look at this. Just dust on dust. Are you guys ready? I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. Candy. It's a crane machine. Candy crane machine. You guys ready? Ready? Do you see that? Do you see the Hot Wheel? What else? Oh, I see vintage magazines. Alright guys, if you want to see more, stay tuned next year. Let me see what's in this one. Oh, I can't open it. Okay. You ready? Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, guys. This is my sneak peek for 2020. You guys want to see the rest of this? Stay tuned. Happy New Year's Eve. See you guys next year.